Hello everyone, my name is Will Fumich. I am the local Balluff sales engineer for Detroit, Michigan, and today I'm going to be discussing our SAMS demo. Now SAMS is an acronym for the Smart Automation Monitoring System, and that is a concept of taking condition monitoring technology and incorporating it into standard devices. So everything you see here is a SAMS device, and what that does is it is monitoring vibration, contact temperature, and inclination, as well as handling a standard process that the sensor you'd be looking for would do. So today I'm going to be discussing our BOS SAMS sensor. And now, if you're doing some impact protection, you can monitor the vibration levels of the sensor as it is getting impacted with machine movement. Now, if it is knocked out of position, a blue light will turn on the back of the sensor, and this will be the indication that the inclination is off. You will get a notification, and you can have a service tech go out and fix the sensor before you have issues down on the line. Other sensors here are the inductive sensor. So if you're using inductive sensors, you could just take this sensor and instantly start monitoring vibration and temperature right off of a standard process. So it's not a hard change that engineering would need to confirm on, but it gives you a whole lot more than just an on and off switch. If you have any more questions about the SAMS products, please reach out to me directly or visit us at the Balluff website, balluff.com. Thank you.